Okay, what is the an sound? An. Okay, right now, let's just add the letter C sound to this short vowel sound to blend this word. C makes a k sound. K. An, can. Here's a picture of a can, which holds food. And we can often find food cans in supermarkets and grocery stores and other similar public places. Okay. This is the very next word. How do we make the an sound again? It's an. An. Fan. I just showed you how we're supposed to oral blend this particular word. Fan. This is a fan. The second last an word is this one here. An, an, man. Okay. How do we make the letter M sound? We are meant to keep our mouths shut when sounding out the letter M sound. Like this. An, man. So I literally just showed you how we are expected to pronounce the word man. M-A-N, man. An, pan. A pan is a kitchenware, which looks like this.